Look at him, he's carrying it.
Nicholas, what have you got there?
He's carrying it up. Look at that. It's pretty strong. Let's go play some golf.
Nicholas, can you show us again how you were swinging the golf club?
Swing it, swing it, swing it, swing it. It's a hole.
Nick's first time golfing.
Alright, you handing it to me, my caddy? Oh,
You want it back?
Come here, come and get it. Come and get it.
Come on, you can stand up and walk.
Stand up, stand up. Yep, up, up. There you go.
Swing it back and forth.
Swing it. No instruction for you. There you go.
What are you going to do with it?
Swing away. Yeah, swing.
Good job, Nicholas.
Good job, buddy.
What do you think about that?
Looks like a golfer. There you go. You're doing it.
We're going to have to get you a little pint size set.
1 year, 3 months. It's official. What?
You can do it. Stand back up.
Here. Here, watch daddy. Watch daddy. Your turn. Your turn. Want to stand up? There you go. Close enough.
Good job, Nicholas.
Watch. Here. Swing. Swing. There you go. You're closer. Swing.
Get ready for the
I think
next
he's gonna have to sleep with that.
next best golfer in the world, Nicholas Christopher Ransford.
There he is. He's on his way. Sure, he looks like a better golfer than his dad. Well, his mother.
True. Okay, oh, not on the hardwood floors, not the window.
Jeez.
Okay, bye-bye.
That was a good swing.